Hey people, you're welcome back to the YouTube channel. And Green here, Success, Tech and Truth. And in today's video, we are looking at Margex. Margex is an online platform that allows you to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with the ability to use up to 100 times leverage. Right? So if you understand what leverage is, you should be getting excited about this, because this means that you can actually start trading with a very little amount of money but make more gain because of the leverage you have on Margex. So without much talk, let's get into it and look at what Margex is about and every other thing you need to know. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and like this video, and of course check the description area below for more details and of course links to sign up to Margex. And make sure you stick to the end of this video, because I'll be showcasing a trading that I've done on this video if you stick to the end of the video, and also I'll be sharing with you other tips. Also, you can start trading with as little as $10. Yes, you heard me right. With as little as $10, you can start trading. And I'm going to show you what this leverage does. So with $10, you can actually trade as if you are trading with $100. With $100, you can trade as if you're trading with much more money. So I'm going to show you everything. So make sure you stick to the end of this video and let's get into it. So I said earlier, Margex is a platform that allows you to trade starting with as little as $10. You can start trading and you can actually make money by trading with up to 100 times leverage. So you understand what leverage is. For those who don't, leverage just means that you're borrowing money to add up to the money that you have in order to trade, to make more gains for both you and for the person or the company you're borrowing from. So you have $10, for instance, you borrow an additional $100 or $900 or $990, then you can trade with $1,000. That means you can make more gain. So on Margex, you can see this is their website. The interface itself is a clean interface. I'm a UX designer, so I easily recognize clean and neat interfaces. It's a neat website with easy to understand writing. I've provided a link below for you to register. Please go ahead and check that out. So Margex gives you this incredible opportunity to start trading with up to 100 times leverage. All right, so calculate how much you have and then multiply that by 100 times. You can actually use that to be trading on Margex. You can trade BTC USD, Ethereum USD, XRP USD, Litecoin USD, EOS USD. You can also trade YFI USD on the Margex platform. Of course, you have your trading view here to do your analysis. To register on Margex is quite easy. Click the link I've provided below, then you can register. This is a referral link, so I'll be getting some percentage of the trading fees. And the good thing about this is that you also can become a referrer. Anybody can actually refer and earn on Margex. You can see it here clearly shown. Everybody can earn up to 40% trading commissions, okay, based on the trade fees paid by the people you invite to the platform. If you want to just test this out, you can go ahead and check the live demo of this site, and of course you can go ahead and read about the Margex, about the fees, the security, top-notch security they say that has been put up on this. And also you can contact them. One very good thing is that you see this thing here. Once you click on it, there's always somebody available to chat with you, or you can even email them. I've tried this a couple of times. I always have somebody available on the live chat who is willing to respond to your questions. So on Margex, you can see a couple of advantages that I really enjoy about Margex. One is the straightforward platform. It is just not complicated. It's beginner friendly to use Margex. Once you register using the link I've provided below, you can start funding your account and you can start trading immediately. All right, and you can actually register anonymously. All you need is your email address, and you don't need any complicated things. You don't need to provide your personal details. So you can actually trade on the platform anonymously without any personal data being used. So your privacy is guaranteed. Also, you have a very transparent market. You can see everything played out here for you on the platform. Registration takes as little as a minute or two. Come over to sign up. You can see all you need is to enter your email address, create a password, click on this to select that you are not a resident of countries where Margex or Bitcoin trading is not allowed. And then you can also change this from dark mode to light mode. Okay, I prefer using dark mode. Very, very straightforward registration in just 2 simple steps. You enter your email, select a password, and you verify your account, and then you can fund your account using your credit card or debit card, or send Bitcoin from another address you have into your account, and then you start trading. Another thing that Margex promises is that they provide what is called MP Shield. So they provide a shield against market price manipulation. Read more about that here. So they base their assets prices on up to 12 or more different providers in order to maintain a fairer market and not a market that is easily affected by artificial price manipulations. One of the best things about Margex is this trading with leverage. So normally you would trade with any amount of money you have, but we all know that the more money you put into the market, the more gain you make. Imagine you have $100 that you want to trade with. What Margex does is that you can actually leverage. So you can start with 10% leverage minimum, or you can go ahead, put it to 20% or 30%. You can see what's going on here. For example, if you have $100, you make a normal trade without leverage, and let's say you have a 1% change in the price of the market, you will have made about $1 from that trade, right? But if you have leverage, say you use Margex leverage, up to 30% leverage of this $100 you're using, that means you'll be making a gain of $30 from that trade, because you are no longer using just $100, because what you're using now is 30 times of 100. That is 100 multiplied by 30. You're actually now trading with $3,000 instead of just $100. If you go ahead and take that leverage to 40%, you'll be making $40 out of this if the market has an increase of 1%. If the market has an increase of 3%, you'll be making $120. And if the market has a change of 5% positively for you, you'll be making $200 instead of $5 if you had used just your own money to trade. Now imagine if I wrap that up to 100% leverage. I'm still trading with just my $100. If the market moved just 1%, 100 times leverage will mean that I will be earning $100 if the market just has a 1% increment. All right. If the market decides to move so positively for me up to 20%, that means I would have made up to $2,000 using $100, which is my main capital for this trade. So that is the power of leverage. That is the power of big companies, of corporations. And imagine if I went into this trade with a $500, or I went into this trade with a $1,000. You can imagine how big that goes. Okay, remember that trading, of course, is dangerous. This could go negatively against me, and of course I'll lose money, or positively for me and I'll make money. So do your research, do your analysis properly before involving in leverage trading. Next, I'm going to show you a couple of trades that I've done. So as you can see, I'm entering to the market at this point. So I want to trade with $1,000 after leverage has been added. This is my order size in BTC, and I'm using 60 times leverage. So I'm actually trading with my own 16.67 USD. I'm using $1,000 to trade, but I'm actually spending my own 16.67 USD in the trade I'm about to do. So once you click on this, it'll show you leverage, 60 times, order size, and then available balance. All right. So I have 0.13 BTC currently. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy. So currently I have an open deal. From my own analysis, the market is going to bounce. It's going to bounce back. So as you can see, I've set my take profit as 62,400. Current price is 62,191. Open price 62,120. Estimated liquidation price is 61,159.5. And then this is my take profit. Let me set my stop loss at 62,000. This is my realized PNL, unrealized PNL, return on investment. As at this moment, I can go ahead and close this if I want to at a specific point. Something else you need to know is that with Margex, you can actually open as many trades as you want, and you see all your open positions here. You can see I have one open position here. There's also the limit trading and also the stock market trading. So I'm using best available market price for this trade. Remember, you can go ahead and edit this. All right, so I could say I want to take profit at 62,300. That would mean I'll be making 10% as my ROE, return on equity. And I can also remove my take profit entirely if I don't want to use it. This is the commission I'll be paying. This is in BTC anyway. So I can adjust my margin / leverage here if I want to do that while the trade is actually on. Yes. Deal closed. I have successfully completed that trade. So if I come over to my position history, you can see the trade I just completed, what I made from the trade. You can also see the commission that was charged for this and my bonus. You can see my wallet balance has changed from 0.13, it's now 0.1300095991. This gain I made here was based on the fact that I was using a leverage. I was trading with $1,000. That's the power of Margex. That's what Margex helps you do. Remember that cryptocurrency trading is risky. You stand the risk of losing money, and also you stand the chance of winning money. So it's all about getting your information right. Do your research before you dive into this. So thank you so much. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and like this video. And of course, check the description area below for more details and of course links to sign up to Margex and other areas.